Hello, FCS 2250 computer application students. Here we are, PowerPoint section 1, our project exam. Let's go ahead and knock this out. We're going to go ahead and jump into full screen. We'll hit next here. We got 9 things to do. Let's do it. So first of all, we're going to change the layout of slide 1 to a title slide layout. So we got slide number 1 selected. We're going to click the layout button in the slides group on the home tab. So home tab, slides group, layout tab. All right, and right now it's set to title and content. We just want it to be title slide, so we're going to change that to that. Good. We'll hit the save key. We'll close our answer key, and we'll move to next. Apply the WISP design theme to the presentation. We can do that, make it look a little better. So click the design tab. We'll go there. And then we need to click the more themes. So here's our themes. There's a few of them there, but we need more of them. And we need to go to the WISP, and it is right there. I've done this before, so I know where it is at. Sometimes fun to find those. I wish they had the words of what they are next to them. But we're going to click that, making our presentation look really nice and pretty. All right, we'll save that. We'll go on to task 3. Apply the chime transition sound to all slides in the presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and choose our animations, I believe. You know what? I'm going to make sure I'm in the right spot. I think I need to go to the transitions tab. One off. So transitions, my bad. I'm going to close that. Now with the transitions available, the sound is where we're going to go to. We want to choose the chime, but we also want this to be on all slides in the presentation. So make sure that you also click apply to all, and we'll hit our save key, and we'll choose next. We're going to complete a spelling check in the presentation. All right, I'm going to move this over because I know my spelling check is going to be over here. All right, and I might need to move it in the middle right now because we're going to have to go to a few places first. So first of all, we're going to go to our review, all right, tab. In the review tab over here in the proofing group, I do need my spelling. That's going to appear over on the right now. I'm going to move this over a little bit so that way I can see a few things. Come on, you can do it. As you know, this gets wonky sometimes. We'll wait for that to stop. Looks like it has. It's still wanting to move. It's like a ghost. All right, stay there. All right, and I'm going to move these directions down as well. So, all right. So, oh, man, it clicked off of my spelling. Move that. Spelling. There we go. Now I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can see things. Okay, I think we're on the right track now. So click the spelling button in the proofing group, just did that. Click the change button to change quality to quality. All right, so we just misspelled it there. Quality to quality. All right, so we do want to change that, and I think we just want to change that. Okay, so we're just going to choose change, not change all. There's only one of them. Okay, so for complementary, click the change button to change complementary to complementary. We just might have missed, complementary to complementary. And for some reason, it went off of my spell check. Let me get that back on. Not sure why it did that. Spelling. Looks like we've got our spelling. I'm going to close this design ideas so that way it doesn't take away from my spelling. So complementary, that's what we need. We'll change that. So we've got 2 thes. That happens. Click the delete button to delete the second the. I've done that before. All right, so now select message in the suggestion list box and click the change button to change the message to message, or massage, I should say, message to message. We got those transposed. So second one right there, M-E-S-S-A-G-E, M-E-S-S-A-G-E. Wanted to make sure we got the right one. I think we do. All right, so let's go ahead and choose change. And our spelling check is complete. I'll go ahead and click OK. Email message, that makes sense, right? I'll close my answer key. I'll go ahead and hit my save key there, and we're moving on. In slide 2, we are going to use the thesaurus to change sufficiently to the synonym adequately. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sufficiently, right click on sufficiently, hover over synonyms, and we're going to change that to adequately. And it says adequately dark. All right, we'll hit save key there. Moving on. Apply the gallery transition in the exciting section to slide 2. Slide 2 is already selected. I'll go to my transitions. All right, and I'm going to choose more here. And in the exciting group, we need to choose the gallery. And now, yeah, that was pretty cool. It gives us the gallery effect for the transition. And we'll choose next. In slide 4, change the first word of the second bulleted item from stack to place. Slide 4, second bulleted item. From stack, I'm going to double click. Oh, I triple clicked. Double click on stack, and then I'm going to change that to place with a capital P. I'll go ahead and press my save key, and we'll move to direction 8 of 9. Insert a new slide with the title slide layout at the end of the presentation. So we'll jump to the end of the presentation. I'm going to scroll down over here. I'm going to click on slide 6 here. All right, 6 is active. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose insert. You know what? I'm going to go home, and I'm going to go ahead and choose new slide, and I want to choose the title slide. So that should put it at the end of the presentation. I'll go ahead and hit save there. And I'll close this here. And we are on 9 of 9. Display the presentation in slide sorter view. All right, let's go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and get to the view tab here. And in the presentation view, we'll go to slide sorter view, and we're going to drag slide 4 between 2 and 3. So I'm going to drag this over. It is now the 3rd slide, and I'll go ahead and hit save there. And I'll go ahead and close my answer key, and we will check our answer. Again, thanks for hanging out with me while we go through this beautiful PowerPoint presentation, just updating it, making it look good. Spelling check is awesome. Beautiful. Well done, everybody. 100%. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.